My name is Jarosław Fajkowski. I work in the positive company that is deeply engaged in cooperation in the field of welding services, cutting and everything related to metal processing and CNC. We have lowered the level of cooperation with the contractor regarding thin sheet metal cutting. Currently we are stopping to use external cooperation services, and moreover, the work has become faster and therefore it makes more savings. It went very well. Everything was concluded without any complications. You are available to call anytime, and we are also located nearby each other. Overall, I have no complaints. Very good. Also in this matter there are no problems. After having contacted you, you practically arrive fast, and the same goes with parts. Most certainly. As I said before, we focus on cutting thin sheet metal at most. This is why this machine was purchased for. Of course, we will cut the thicker material with oxy-fuel, so it was matched to meet our needs perfectly. Yes, they have. The machine has been delivered, it performs in accordance with the arrangement, the machine relieves us considerably, hence all the talks we had before were proved right after the delivery. First and foremost, because of the quality-price ratio, right? Here, when it comes to cost, it is notably lower than that of leading companies, and the cutting quality is likewise. We check this out by the comparison. Moreover, the service works instantly. We are located nearby each other and there's no standing in line.